Hey, welcome back. In my previous video I showed you how to create a stunning website using the Hostinger's website builder. Today we're going to create a header design. So get ready to unleash your creativity as I show you how to make this beautiful header in the Hostinger website builder. Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started on our next website building adventure. Hostinger's website builder is an all-in-one solution for creating a professional website. With this tool, users can enjoy designer-made templates, an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, and an AI toolkit that includes a logo maker, content writing tool, and a heat map as well. Plus, e-commerce tools come at no additional cost. And the best part, the website builder is free with all Hostinger's hosting plans. At Hostinger, they offer 3 packages to choose from: single hosting for beginners, premium hosting for personal use, and a business plan. Take your time comparing the pricing plans and consider features such as a domain, email, and the number of visitors. Hostinger has flexible hosting options with savings for longer periods. Create an account with your email, Facebook, or Google and choose a payment method. And of course, use the coupon code Coen for a bonus discount. Now, let's start creating our header. Look at what I made, it looks really cool and it didn't take me long to do. With the drag and drop system, it's effortless to add new elements, and aligning text neatly on the grid is a breeze. Of course, I've only created a header for now, but imagine how awesome an entire website would look in this style. That's right, it will be super dope. So take a quick peek through the link in the description. Don't forget to use the promo code Coen for an extra 10% off. on top of all the other amazing deals. And I will see you in the next video where we will make something just as cool with this great builder. Bye!